What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Animal Company. We're going to teach y'all how to dupe. So first of all, you want your stuff that you want to dupe. I'm going to dupe a bag that has 10 pumpkins in it. And then you just want to join a random code. But it has to have one person in it so it doesn't despawn. I don't know what code. If I just join a fan code, there'll be not that many people. Just one code King. I don't think no one's gonna be in there, but at least one person has to. Okay. So you wanna have your Wi-Fi ready?
Just playing video games.
Grenade. Not that hard. With this grenade, you go downstairs and light it, go to settings, make sure you have this ready. You click on, off, leave the game, go Animal Company, open the app if you have that thing. And once you have that, you should dupe. Then just join the code again. It might not dupe since I did it kind of late, but let's see.
Everybody have them. Are crazy. Everybody have them, but it's not rare anymore.
Okay, join code King. Hopefully no one steals it.
What am I gonna do? What a bone and a stick? That means I just lost my back.
There's nothing.
Fight me! Don't fight me!
Fight me, boy! No,
I'm not gonna fight you, bro. I need to fight him. I just stole someone's bone. I stole someone's bone. I just stole someone's bone. That's what.
Okay, just like that. Now it should work. I did good this time. So there should be one on your back. And by the way, you can also dupe if you have 2 bags. So let's see if we have it.
So you take it up.
What?
What the frick was this? Okay.
Well, too bad.
The mods are my card. I will give a crap. And boom, right here. And by the way, you know why?
Post thought that was gonna be easy. Bro, you literally both thought that was gonna be so easy.
Yo, Black, that was so easy, bro.
I'm gonna have to have this.
You know what? I'm gonna give away this to a random server. So let's go. Join my phone code banana if you want me.
Okay, I accepted it.
Okay, well.
Let's go. Everyone!
No PvP. Because why not? Come to spawn if you want free pumpkins. Who wants free pumpkins?
It's okay.
Who wants pumpkins?
Wait, I do.
If you want pumpkins, go spawn.
I want free pumpkins. I don't care.
There.
Can you teach me how to
Where are
get him?
you? The guy was
We're rare.
No, don't go under
Why
me.
oh my gosh, bro.
Can you teach me how to get him?
Who wants more pumpkins?
Wait, can I have another one, please?
No, you
can't. Pumpkins! Who wants pumpkins? Pumpkins!
Can you also teach me how to get one?
Trading a hard
You can't! We're rare! Why is everyone opening them, bro? Hey, this lobby. You know what? I'm gonna go PvP. Hopefully. Who wants pumpkins? Who wants pumpkins? If you want pumpkins,
I do.
If you want pumpkins, go to couch.
You're OG.
You're OG, bro. Here's some pumpkins.
Oh my god. Whoa, hey. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Right?
Where's my crossbow?
Okay, here's the OG bag too.
Where's the OG bag? Where's the OG bag?
He has it.
Hey, you.
No, I got a free RPG.
Can you buy me a crossbow? Something else mine.
Nah.
Hey, you. Can you buy me a crossbow?
Like this.
Hey, can I get one, bro? You got two. Hey. What, Dos Mark, can I get one? Can you buy me a crossbow? Somebody stole it. Yo, I have a crossbow with my ammo in there, man. I know, get a pumpkin, my good sir.
Just join.
I found it on the couch. I found a crossbow on the couch.
That was
There's a left. Can I? Wait.
Family roleplay thing. Whatever. What is free RPG? Free RPG.
You give me happy launcher ammo.
Me.
Yeah.
Nah.
It's not loaded. Wait, you want RPG ammo?
I hope no one
Got
better
you,
took
bro.
mine.
In my RPG did not care. I just smacked him.
But I'll grab this. Let
Me?
load
I
it.
did.
Hey, that's my flashlight. That's my
Bro,
flashlight.
here you go. Bro,
I
I
need
just
a
keep it,
flashlight,
I
though.
guess. You
I need a
don't have one.
flashlight. I'm broke.
This is mine, anyways.
I need a flashlight.
I'm gonna keep it.
Oh yeah! I think
I need
chocolate
a
looks
flashlight.
naughty.
I
We
said.
still got 10 pumpkins. So.
Can I have like the backpack full of RPG rocket launcher? Oh yeah.
Oh, come on.
Can
I have that?
Can I have that
pump?
rocket launcher ammo?
Me.
I just gave you our. No, because I only got 75k. I don't want to go back there. Have pumpkin.
Oh my god.
Bang bang bang.
I forgot what it's called.
I'm gonna give him a pumpkin since he looks like a nice
funny.
person. Okay,
Faster game.
this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe.
Campfire,
The
bro.
end. Bye bye.
Guys, who wants to